Here are 5 things I would never do for back pain, and I'm a chiropractor. Number 1, your spine is out of alignment. I would never say this to somebody. Why? Because pretty much everybody is out of alignment. It's how we were born. If you cut me down the middle, you compare my right side to my left side, it's not gonna match, and it's not really gonna match in anybody. So we are all out of alignment, and that's okay, because it doesn't mean anything is wrong, and it doesn't mean you're gonna feel any pain. Number 2, tell you that you need x-rays or MRIs to see what the problem is. This is not true. This can actually cause more harm than good, because many individuals have asymptomatic findings on imaging. Basically, they're gonna see something on there, and it doesn't mean that that's the cause of the pain. In fact, it rarely does. So we don't want to scare you with pictures, because pictures do not show us what the problem is a vast majority of the time, and just further cause confusion. 3, that you need to bed rest. It is documented time and time again that rest is not good for lower back issues and actually causes more pain, more tightness, more disability, and causes more fear associated with the movements that you're going to do. We do not want to rest. Movement is medicine. Number 4, I would never say to just lay down, I'm gonna crack you, I'm gonna take your pain away. Not how it works. You need to be a part of your rehabilitative plan. You need to be instructed on what exercises to do and what you can do for yourself. Passive therapies will never work long term. You must be engaged. You must have homework that you can do. We cannot take the pain away for you. And 5, I would never say that you need to keep coming back in order to stay better. What we do as an online low back program is we teach you how to fix yourself so that you never have to come back to us. If you constantly have to go back to a provider for help, then you are dependent on that provider, and that is not a long-term solution. It does not mean you are in control. When you're done with our program, you should know what the problem was, how you fixed it, and how you never have to come back to us again. That is true recovery.